how to pay an AT&T bill online. You want to Google search for pay AT&T bill online, and this first website is the one that we need, so just click on it. It's going to load up the website itself, and it's going to give us an option to pay without signing in, and you will have to choose the service you want to pay. You have AT&T wireless, internet or home phone, prepaid, UVerse, DirecTV, and also the option for business account. So let's say that we want to pay our internet or home phone. It is going to ask for the AT&T phone or account number, so you can just put your phone number right here, and the billing code, the billing zip code, so you can just Google your zip code if you're unsure, and click on continue. After you put in this information, it's going to show you your bill, and you can go through the prompts and use your card, debit or credit card, to pay your bill. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.